recording. Hello, today we're at Llyn Country Park here in Carmarthenshire. We're going to make our way to the centre of the park to a lake that's surrounded by peat bog. It's a rare habitat and it's a site of special scientific interest. This is a painting I did some years ago showing the visitor centre across the lake. It's a really interesting building and has got lots of information about the park and the importance of peat bogs, like this one, to the environment and wildlife. You can see it was painted in summer and I expect this view to look a lot different today. There was a very interesting shadow cast on the visitor centre which gave it some form, and it was reflecting nicely in the water. Cotton grass in the foreground and some little water lilies on the surface. The trees themselves there were painted wet onto dry and the reflections are painted wet into wet. Yes, very different, isn't it, at the beginning of March? But when the sun came out, the subdued wintry colours of the bog really came to life. I tried to reflect these colours in this little sketch that I did. I kept the foreground very simple, and I think the tree in the foreground adds depth by pushing the visitor centre into the distance. This is a larger picture of the view across the lake. If you're interested, at the end of this video there's a time-lapse sequence showing how I built the painting up. There's a lot of information downstairs in the visitor centre about how the park is being managed, and upstairs we found some lovely artwork. The circular viewing gallery provided some terrific views across the lake and the bogland. There were a few Canada geese we noted, but we got some better views from down below. We carried on a little further by the lake and then we made our way into a forested area. This is quite interesting. It's a bird hide that we found in a little lake we didn't know was here, so we're really thrilled about this. We've been told that there might be some little grebes on it, so we're going to go and have a look. Yeah, we were lucky, they were there and it was really nice to see them. Sorry the footage isn't great. I got some okay stills with my camera. The other name for the little grebe is a dabchick, which I think suits them really well. They were not quite yet in their breeding colours, which are more of an orangey colour, especially around the neck. We spotted another hide just across the little pond there and went to investigate. So it all started off so well and sunny, and now we're in the middle of a hailstorm. But we can see the little grebe, so that's good. Oh, I can hear them. I can hear the grebes, the sun's come out again. I shall leave you with a little picture of one of the dabchicks that I had a go at. And if you would like to see how I built up that watercolour painting looking across the lake to the visitor centre, then keep watching, it's coming up in a few moments. This is going to be an unnarrated time-lapse, showing most of the footage but missing out quite a bit of thinking time and quite a few tea breaks.